Hi there, my name is Jared Cranford, co-owner of AZ Real Estate and Property Management in Phoenix, Arizona. We are a full-service real estate brokerage and just celebrated our 7th year of business. We have 7 amazing team members with a combined 65 years of service in the real estate industry. We handle both residential sales and residential property management. Our business is heavily based off referrals and repeat business, as well as clients we meet for the first time. Being a member of the Better Business Bureau has helped AZ Real Estate and Property Management by both helping us establish our credibility and by connecting us to customers that deserve the very best experience. We joined the Better Business Bureau because it represents an organization with like-minded business owners who share values and understand that building relationships based on trust and doing business ethically is what makes good businesses stand out from the rest. The Better Business Bureau has been around for over 100 years, and the public relies on it to ensure they are working with honest and reputable companies.